Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Ullrey. In this video, what I'm going to teach you is how to use Google Calendar to organize your assignments and keep track of due dates. So in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is open your Google Calendar. To get to Google Calendar, what you're going to look for is the Google app icon, which is this little symbol right here. You'll see it on a search page. If you go into Drive, you'll also see that Google Apps icon, but you're going to click that, and when you do, you're going to see a whole list of different apps that you can open. So the one you want to select is Google Calendar. Once in Calendar, you'll see it displayed here. You can actually subscribe to different calendars, and what you want to do is to subscribe to your different class periods. So you can choose your A hour, your B hour. I'm in F hour, SBG chemistry. And when I do that, you'll see assignments show up. When I unclick on it, they go away. So you'll want to click for each one of your classes, and you'll see all the assignments that you have for every single week for each of your classes. And you'll see that it doesn't really stand out. It's kind of this drab brown. You can actually change the color of what your class appears. So there's these three little dots on the end. If you click there, you can choose a different color for your display. I highly suggest choosing different colors for different classes, something that will remind you that red is chemistry and maybe blue is English, but pick a different color for each class so that you can see which assignments belong to which classes. One other thing to show you is you can change your view. Right now I'm on month view. You can actually go all the way out to zoom to year. You can zoom in to a week at a time so that you can see what you have due each week. You can even zoom into a single day so you can see what you have due on a given day. The other thing that you can do is you can actually click on the assignment and it'll give you the details. So it'll tell you about the assignment, it'll tell you where it's at. So here you have to complete a Google form. It gives you the link to that Google form. So you can click on any of these and it'll give you the details. So here's one where it's going to take you to an Edge-Elastic quiz. And again, you can do this for all of your classes, not just your SBG chemistry, but you can click on calendars for everything. You can click on the ones for holidays and add the major holidays. There's also a Grand River Prep calendar that you can click on that'll show you sporting events and all sorts of events that are going on in the school. One last feature to show you is that you can actually create your own calendar events. All you need to do is click on a square and create a title for the event that you want to create. So this could be, you could put your work schedule in here so you remember which days you're working. If you want to sign up for additional tutoring with your teacher, you could put that in there, but you just add a title. Once you have the title, you click save, and then it'll show up as an event on your calendar that you created. So you can add, and then it shows up as an event on your calendar. I highly recommend that you try using Google Calendar this year to organize your life. You have a lot to keep track of with virtual learning and all the different assignments for all of your different classes.